Hey guys, it's Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the x-treme Rubicon 48V electric bicycle. Let's hop right into the review, starting with the features. Beginning with the handlebars, here we have the 9-speed gear shifter, which can be shifted using the levers seen here, and directly above that we have the right handbrake. Also on the right handlebar is the flashlight mount, and moving over to the left handlebar there is a cup holder as well. Continuing on with the left handlebar, we have the throttle, the bell, and the electric motor controls. Over on the middle of the bike, we have the smooth cover Velo bike seat as well as a thick kickstand for extra sturdiness. Taking a look at the rear wheel of the bike, we can see its electric hub motor. Moving on to the battery, pressing the button shown here displays the bike's battery life. The battery also has a USB 2.0 port for mobile device charging. The battery charges in just a few hours through the charging port seen here. Next up, we are going to take a look at the bike's LCD display. The display powers on by holding down the M button on the front of the electric motor controls. On the display, you will be able to see your speed in miles per hour, your current electric power level, more on that in a moment, and your odometer. As previously mentioned, this bike has 5 electric power levels, which are controlled by the up and down arrows shown here. Levels 1 and 2 are eco and use the electric motor sparingly, just enough to offset the extra weight that the battery adds onto the bike. Level 3 is standard mode, which increases your speed a moderate amount. Levels 4 and 5 are boost mode. These levels boost your speed by as much as 20 miles per hour. All 5 levels of electric assist activate automatically when you begin to pedal on the bike. Now that we've covered all the features that this bike has to offer, let's move on to how it rides. This bike rides incredibly smoothly, much more so than both my personal bike and other bikes I've tested. Additionally, the bike's 500-watt 48V lithium-ion battery easily carries the bike to its top speed of over 20 miles per hour using electricity only, and over 30 if you pedal as well. I also found that while riding, the Rubicon's LCD display provides all the information I need with just a quick glance, and that its battery life and power surpassed my expectations. Furthermore, I was surprised by how although this bike has a relatively compact presence, it is still quite comfortable to ride on. Having to keep this bike in my garage was a test of temptation simply because I found myself wanting to ride it as often as possible, even though I had to keep the miles on it low since it is a review unit. I can say with confidence that the Rubicon has provided me with the best casual biking experience I've ever had, and that you won't regret buying it if you do. Overall, this bike's quick acceleration, smooth suspension, and great versatility thanks to its better than expected battery make it an excellent option if you're looking for an electric bike that can get you through the day, or even the week, without any hesitation. For more information on the x-treme Rubicon, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to check out my assembly video for this bike using the link in the description below. I'd also like to give a huge thank you to Gina from x-treme Scooters for sending this bike out to me for review. With that said, this is Max from GTN Official, signing off.